What do you not know about Python? It's often easier to recognize what we do know than what we don't know. That's why I have a newsletter where I share a Python tip every week. Every Wednesday morning since June 2022, I've shared one fairly detailed Python tip. Many of these emails involve questioning our mental models, both inside Python and sometimes outside Python. Sometimes my weekly Python email is on something basic, like how I debug Python code. But usually, my weekly tips are about something less obvious, like why I try to avoid break statements in Python and how I do it. And occasionally, the weekly tip is more of a life tip on something like practicing self-care, building play into your programming habits, and learning how to learn. Many of my emails involve a reframing of something that you may have already seen before. It may be a familiar topic, but I usually try to share an insight that's not so obvious. Python is a very important tool for me. If Python is an important tool for you too, you may want to sign up for my weekly Python tip emails. Just enter your email at pythonmorsels.com/newsletter. I'll see you next Wednesday.